If you think breastfeeding is just a normal process, then today, listen to a truth that will make you bow before the power of nature. The moment a baby latches onto the mother's breast, a silent message is sent inside her body. Milk is needed, right now. Within seconds, the brain responds. It releases two magical hormones: Prolactin, the hormone that creates milk, and Oxytocin, the hormone that lets the milk flow gently to the baby. And here's the most incredible part. The more the baby feeds, the more milk the mother's body produces. Many people wonder why milk supply becomes low. But the truth is, this process works completely on demand, the baby's need, and the mother's body. This is why every girl, every mother, and every family should understand breastfeeding. Because motherhood is not just a responsibility. It is a miracle designed by nature, and one of the most beautiful experiences of life. Soft pause. Share this message with every woman who needs to know, and follow for more powerful facts like this.